In a world driven by technology, the people who win are not just waiting for jobs, they are creating solutions. Most universities teach theory. At BlueCrest, you learn how to build, innovate, think, and lead. The Bachelor of Science program in Technology, Entrepreneurship, and Innovation combines practical technology skills with business and innovation technology. This prepares you for Africa's digital economy. From tech innovation to startup development, you gain hands-on experience that prepares you for real opportunities, not just graduation. So at BlueCrest, you don't just earn a degree, you develop the mindset to create impact, build businesses, and shape the future.
To qualify for this program, you must be a WASI graduate with at least 6 passes or a mature student aged 25 and above.
Applications are now open. You can apply through our WhatsApp number or visit our website.